In this video, we are going to do another task wherein we are given with another code, and we are just tasked to examine the status register as well as the register on it. So let's create a new project. Select Atmel AVR assembler and rename this project as activity 3 since this is our third task. Then we will change the path from previous date is activity 2, then we will change it to activity 3 and press OK and then click next. And for our debug platform, we will use AVR Simulator, and our device we will utilize at Mega 32, and then click finish and let's wait for the IDE to load. So this is our IDE. Let's expand this one since we need space for the code. And I will try to write the code wherein we are tasked to solve, or I mean examine the given code to us, examine the status register, the flags, and the registers as we utilize the step over. And since I am done with writing of the code, let's assemble this one for us to verify if there are errors with this code. Fortunately, we did not encounter any errors as it indicates assembly complete, zero warning, zero errors. And now we can now assemble and run or enter the debugging mode. And here we are with the debugging mode, and here's our registers, and we will use the single step to examine the flags, and we will just forward with the LDI since it doesn't make any changes with our flags. And after the COM instruction, as you can see, the sign flag, negative flag, and the carry flag has been turned on after complementing the value of R20, meaning that the resulting value of R20 is exceeding the D7 bits or 8 bits of the status register. For the next COM instruction, which is complementing the value of R21, it is obvious that the carry flag and the Z flag has been turned on, meaning that the complementing resulting value of R21 has exceeded the 8-bit value, and the previous value of R20 is 0, meaning that the 0 has been turned on. For the third COM instruction wherein we are complementing the value of R22, it is obvious that the sign, negative, and the carry flag has been turned on, meaning that the value after complementing the R22 has exceeded the D7-bit or the 8-bit register of the status register. For our last COM instruction wherein we had complemented the value of R23, it is obvious that the sign, negative, and the carry flag has been turned on. Why the carry flag has been turned on? Maybe that the value of R23 after complementing is exceeding with the 8-bit register of the status register. And now, since we are done with the examining of the flags, we can now reset this one, and let us observe the values of the registers as we use the single step. And as we can see, as we use the single step, we are the values that is given to us has been loaded to R20, R21, and R22, then R23. And as we complement the values, we can see on the left side that the values are being complemented. And I guess that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video.